we're going to start with the 90-90 into the glute bridge. First things first, you got to get to 90-90. Front leg will be at 90 degrees at your hips, your knees, and even your ankles. This applies to the back side. You'll then kind of have like this square box in front of you and behind you. So sometimes you even hear this be called shin box. It's actually originated from jiu-jitsu. If you are into grappling, this is a very common move you use. There are many levels to this. I'm going to start with the higher level just because this is where the standard is, and I'll show you some regressions afterwards. I'm going to keep my feet flat on the floor. I'm going to lift my knees up, and I'm going to bring it all the way over to the left. That's because everything right now is pointed to the right. So I'm going to turn my knees all the way over, and I want to make sure my chest is always facing the same direction as that leg. If I segment, so let's say I go this way, but my chest is still here, I'm going to get stuck in the middle. So I want to go as one unit like so. Yes? Feet stays right on the same spot. You want to maintain the space between your legs as well. One of the big mistakes I see is people will start the lift and then they'll bring their legs together because that's easier to do, and then they'll adjust kind of halfway there. You want to keep it relatively strict, okay? Now, that doesn't mean we can't make it easier. You can put one hand down to support you. So I'm going to keep this hand here to help me. When I'm about to turn all the way over to the right, I put the right hand down. And we just keep switching back and forth. This is level 2, okay, if the first one was level 3. Now, the easiest way is to keep both hands down. This hand's going to be a little lighter. This hand's going to be a lot heavier. And I'm going to transition my weight between the two hands. And it can even slide a little bit. And as you notice, when you have your hands, you get a little further away from your knees, which makes it a lot easier. Now, we also got to do the bridge part. Now, from the bridge, I'm going to get my weight kind of over my lead foot. If I'm all the way back here where I'm leaning back, great for the stretch in the back leg, but I don't have the power to pop on up like so. Okay, so what I want to do is bring my weight forward. I'm going to push my hips forward, kind of at an angle, and I'm going to drive my whole body forward like so. Just like that. So this is the bridge part from 90-90. If we put it all together, we're going to do the windshield wiper to get across. I'm going to bridge up, hinge back down, and then we go back and forth like so. And it looks like so. Thank you all so much for joining me on this one. We'll see you next time.